up guys? Today I'm continuing on with kind of winter mode with my 2016 WRX, and I picked up a Rally Innovations rally bar, which is pretty sweet. You can mount it and then you can mount lights onto it. So it's a pretty sweet piece. Definitely has that rally look, has a bit of functionality. If I change my Diodynamics lights and I want to put them on the outside, or if I want to do more, I can do that with this. So do a quick unboxing. Rally Innovations is down in the US and they make an array of rally bars for pretty much all the Subarus, the Imprezas, the Crosstreks, WRXs, everything. So it's actually pretty nice and lightweight, but it does feel very sturdy. The welds are really nice. So that's it there. This is the one for my WRX. It's in a flat black color. It looks really nice. It's got the mounting locations for lighting products if you want to put a light bar or light pods on there. This is the mounting plate that connects to the bottom of the car. All right, so we've got the bottom tray taken off, and we're gonna get in the bag of hardware that's included, some pretty beefy hardware. These two small brackets / adapters and bolts. We're gonna take them apart, and they're gonna go in place, one into each side of this slot. It's gonna go right there like that. All right, so we basically rotated the bracket from the passenger side up over the metal kind of skid plate on the bottom. Was trying to take that off and actually broke one of those, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed, but that's on there pretty good after 3 years of driving with this. Some of the bolts are pretty seized, but the trick we found was to go from underneath, then have someone up top here help get it over this part right down here, and you kind of pull it up and then it goes back down, and then you can get it into place. All right, so once you've got the bracket into place here and those big bolts that we put into the slots underneath, we're basically just gonna use the washers that are included and thread this into place. And then it's a 14 mil bolt. There's kind of an array of hardware that's included with the kit. You just have to find what basically works. All right, just tighten these bolts in place. All right, so we're gonna cut back a little bit of this plastic here. It's a pretty small amount. Now we just have to do the same to this side. So it's basically like the far end of each where the bracket comes out. All right, so the under tray's back on. We put all the clips in there, made sure everything lined up. Now we can put the bumper back in place. Alright guys, so it's actually been a couple of days since I finished the installation of the Rally Innovations light bar. As you can see, I've also installed some LED light pods on the bottom there, but I wanted to quickly touch base and explain the mounting process. The estimated installation time should only take you about 2 hours to do, and it kind of depends on how you want to install it. As you saw in my video, I took the whole front bumper off and bolted it through the existing license plate holes for North America. But depending where you are, the mounting process might be a little bit different. You might not have holes, so they include the hardware that you need to line that up and bolt it into place properly. The installation is pretty straightforward and you don't even need to actually remove your front bumper to do it. The only thing you really need to remove, of course, is that bottom under tray to be able to get access to putting the bar across the bottom and bolting it in. I'll have a link down below in the description to where you can pick up the Rally Innovations light bar. It definitely serves its purpose functionality wise. As you can see, I've got the light pods mounted on there. And installing these was super easy because as you saw, it's already got the mounting holes for lights just like these. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to answer it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.